By signing up through a referral link, both parties can reap long-term benefits in Binance. Request a referral link from a friend who has a Binance account to sign up for Binance. Or, click on my referral link in the description below and start signing up. When you click on the link in the description, the signing page will open with an interface like this. Choose the country where you live from this menu and click the Confirm button below. You can see the benefits of signing up with a referral link mentioned above. And my referral ID is shown below. It is very important to mention a referral ID here. Why should we use a referral link for sign up? Because then we get back 10% of the fee charged for every spot trading we do. Only those who have been with Binance for years know its value. There are plenty of people who earn more than a Bitcoin by recovering a portion of the fees they charge, and it just happens automatically. All you have to do is use a referral link first. Then do not regret it later. If you ignore this advantage and sign up without using a referral link, you will not be able to take advantage of it again after KYC verification. I think you may have got some idea of the referral advantage from my explanation. Okay, so as a first step, type the email you are using for that mail verification in the box here. It is best to use a special email for Binance. In the box below, type the password you want for your account, and it should be a strong password. The password must be at least 8 characters long, and must contain numbers and symbols. It is best to memorize the password and then type it in. Tick the 2 ticks below to agree to email updates on Binance and agree to their terms and conditions, then click the Create Account button. Complete the next puzzle correctly to make sure you are not a robot. They will then send the verification code to the email you provided. Check your email, copy the verification code sent by Binance and paste it in the correct place. Then it will automatically submit. The notification above shows that the account has not been verified yet. When you click on the icon of your account below, it will also show that the account is not verified yet. Click the Verify button at the top to access the relevant web page to get the account fully verified by KYC verification. Be sure to check if your country is selected correctly above, and click the OK button. There are 2 parts to verification, the Verified section and the Verified Plus section, but we only need to complete the Verified section. It is not mandatory to complete the Verified Plus section. Click the Start Now button to start the KYC verification process. Fill in this information according to the national identity, passport or driving license that you use for the KYC verification. It will be easier if the document you are using is printed in English. After, fill in the name and date of birth correctly and then click the Continue button below. Then you have to fill in the information related to your address. For that, also use the previous used identity or the information mentioned in that document. Your postal code can be found by searching your city on Google. Fill them correctly. Then click the Continue button again. If your country is not selected in the top menu, then select it correctly. Then you will get to select a document recommended by Binance according to your country. In my case, I will select the national identity. Select it and click on the Continue button. You must send a photo of the selected document. Take a clear photo that does not violate the conditions mentioned above. Since I selected the national identity, I have to upload 2 photos, front and back. But if the passport is selected, only 1 photo should be sent. Drag and drop the 2 photos in the appropriate places. Then click the Continue button. In the same way, upload a clear selfie and click the Continue button again. After uploading the selfie and continuing, you will have to follow some instructions related to your face recognition. Turn on your computer's camera. If you do not have a camera on your computer, you can scan the QR code below and complete this process on your smartphone. Follow the instructions to face the camera and manipulate the face as shown on the screen. Then blink your eyes, open your mouth, as instructed on the screen. The face recognition process can be tried several times. So if you do not understand the brief instructions, write them down, find their meanings and try again. Do not wear face masks, hats, or sunglasses during face recognition. After that, all the information you provided will be under review. Shortly thereafter, an email will be sent to you informing you that the verification process was successful if all the information you provided is correct. It took me less than an hour as a review time. So as a final step, go into that email and click the Get Started button. The KYC verification will then appear as totally complete. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video on how to increase the security of your Binance account. Have a nice day.